cell reference. We said there are three. Relative reference, we said that is the default one. You don't need to do anything. You just go to your Excel, it will copy that formula and take the content which is in the cell, alternative cell. So again, taking up content in cell, you are copying the formula, night again, copying data above. Naturally, cannot copy the answer, it copy only the formula, and it goes and it knows which content within the cell any appropriate represented the copies. Let me open to your mark clear with that. It is a default set, it is there default, it is there by default. Relative reference, Tekola Yonga. That is the power of Excel. So what is the Windows and we don't need to copy like cells ngani content to fixing one cell the multiplying with all our answers. But to say taking the content within the next cell. So fixing. So there we use another type of cell reference. It's called absolute reference. The definition is that absolute reference refers. Let me hope you are seeing my screen. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, teacher.
So absolute reference refers to a specific cell, regardless of where the formula is copied. They use the dollar sign to lock the row and column or column. This one lock, we can lock row, we can lock column. We say the cell reference like the A representing a full column, 1 representing a full row. So we can lock either column, that is we are locking only data. Then we can lock what we call a number, that is 0. So this ensures that the reference always points to the same cell. So that is the definition of absolute cell reference. Let us go to our example. We see what is the actual thing. Yesterday, we talked about relative reference. We just need to come here and we copy. Like here, we just come get the autofill and we copy. Obviously, Excel will just capture for us the correct answer depending on the value here. It will not copy this value. It will just depend on these values and give us the correct answer. Let us assume that someone has an argument. We are just assuming. The reason why I'm not bringing my work, I want you just to write your own thing and you understand these things. Just understand, not just using my examples. I have very many examples, but I just want you to create your own situation. Let us create one situation. We are just assuming this. In class, for our fundamental forward. Let me hope you are seeing these things clear. Are you seeing them clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me change something like a field. Which field can make them visible? I think that one. Let me make them they fit the so we are gonna show these are names, these are subjects, Excel, PowerPoint, these are total marks ability what. So let us assume, we are just assuming it. Umuntu yakola access bamwa 3% of the total marks. We are just writing this statement here. Let me write it here. Assuming you are the teacher, regarding giving this credit overall what is this information. Naye waliwo condition egamba singa omuntu asangibwa nti yakola access is given 5% of the total marks. So bajja kubuuza ekibuuzo, what is his new total marks? Obviously bano bonna bakola access, twagala otegeera total marks zaabwe ziri zitya. So let us assume nti just assume if someone did access is given 5% of total marks. Then calculate the new total mark for each maybe candidate. Maybe put for each what? Well, take away just for each name, because to in a column name for each name. So let us assume this is the statement we have. I'll make it clear just much. Your statement Jeturina, and we just assume the total marks 5%. You try to take your 5%. This is 5%. I'm gonna take 5%. That is the 5%. Here I'll put something like the maybe accessing percentage. Let me do this one wrap text. I don't want to be big. I want to select 4%. I'm not seeing my access. Where is it? Yes, I want to see like that. So we are just assuming here someone yakola access bamwa 5% of the total marks. Katwaka calculating a new marks. Teacher if you have to solve that problem. If someone asks that, how can you solve that one? Times total.
You divide the total by 5%.
Kati, according to the question, to some question, if someone did access is given 5% of the total marks. It's very clear. of tugimanyi nti ebetegeeza multiplication, isn't it? So
Yes.
gamba nti 5% of the total marks, which means tugenda kugamba 5% times the total marks. Kati the question is calculate the new total marks. So ekintu kiri very simple. Bakwate 5%, but 5% is not marks. 5% always a percentage. So ekiri kitegeeza tomanyi marks emeka eziri mu 5%.
Yes.
First of all, tolina kye bayita 5% marks. Ekitegeeza okufuna marks eziri mu 5%, ojja sooka ofune kye bayita 5% of the total marks. Otegeera nti mu 5% mulimu bweziti. Kati otegeere total marks ziri meka, awo ojja ku addinga ku addinzi new total marks, ojja ku addinga ku 5% plus the original marks. So ekigenda okubeera, let us do by calculating. Tugenda afuna kye bayita here marks eziri mu 5%. In 5%. In 5%. Let us change this one. We copy the maybe this format we put here. We can extend this one. We try to merge and center and we see whether it comes. It's not coming. Yes, it has come. So like that. So tugenda kufuna marks mmeka eziri mu 12%. Let me hope buli omu akitegeera. But government 5% is total. If someone did access, is given 5% of the marks. So tugenda government equals 5% here, 5%. Mujira times the total marks. Total marks is easy. Mujira awo tugezaako findinga kye bayita marks emekeze mu 5%, because omuntu agamba nti olina ofuna omusaala gwa 1 million naye nkongezaako 10%. Nagamba what is your new salary now? You first calculate 10% erimu sente emeka. Kati wotegeera nti 10% mulimu sente weziti. Kati wakubuuza what is your new salary, ogamba nti okay, my original salary million gye mbadde nfuna plus obusente obuli mu 10% oba kuliko emitwalo 5, that is kigeza million yeyogeddeko emitwalo 5, then esente omusaala gwange guli million 1.5. That is how we calculate in percent. Kati here marks bagambye nti oli yakola access bamuwaddeyo 5% of the original mark. So if I want to calculate the new mark, total mark, ngamba nti nsooka tegeera 5% erina marks emeka. Check. So kino kyetugezezaako okukola kibaddewo ekiti nti we said equal sign 5% times the total marks. Olwo twagala tegeera mu 5% mulimu meka, then we press enter. Of course 5%, if you multiply 5% times this one, this is the marks you get. Ekitegeeza nti bwe njagala okufuna new total marks for this guy, the first guy, ngamba this one the total marks plus this 19, here waliba nfuna new marks. Omukitegeera new
Total marks ogifuna otya teacher? Gundi wano eno 5%. Bambiriremuko kati.
Okay, tugenda kuddamu tofaayo. The question is very simple. We are trying to analyze this question. If someone did access you is given 5% of the total marks to Tirina, then we're going to calculate the new total marks for each name. One of them marks is our visitor. Obviously, when we are access to a new marks you have to make. We check it. So, kati what government 5% of the total marks, which means it Buliomu bamuwa 5%, yakola access bamuwa 5% of the total marks. Bona baina total marks, but what any 5%, which means tugenda tulina buli kimu, tugenda calculating. But we don't know. Tetusobola agamba nti we are gonna add into total plus this 5%. No, bino tubikwatagana. Eno tulina percentage zino marks. So actually, so in order to add to get new marks, tugenda agamba nti the original marks plus marks mekezemu 5%.
Yeah.
As per now tulina 5%. But tetulina ng'ekikulu 5%, it is 5% of the total marks, which means if I do like this, and if I want to get what is inside the 5%, I do 5% times the original or the total marks, then I will be able to get what is inside the 5%. So kati awo tugenda agamba nti nina percentage naye si sagala kosa percentage njaga kudealinga with marks njasooka tegere nti mu 5% muba marks meka. So we're gonna send equals, we are gonna calculate nze wano nteesa akola omuti njagala kufuna marks meka ezimu 5%, naye olwedde tulina sero wano eya 5% yeyo mukiraba bulungi. This is the percentage divided one. You question the 5% for 21 is so. Let us assume we have a question by the quantity down backward in the cell address. This 5% is in the cell address of you, maybe 6. This is the 5%. So we're gonna get what is inside the 5%. How many marks are in 5%? Go actually from Sala to you are gonna take 10%. Tekyegeza tugenda kugamba bugambi 10% plus my original salary from no. Osooka kufuna 10% of my original salary. Mulimu mmeka nti mulimu mitwalo 2. Okay, plus my original salary. Ekyegeza nfune kati million 4.2. Oba kyege. Kasaba mukifuna. So, tugenda gamba nti cosine. Tugenda calculating 5%. Olwokagala kufuna 5% maximum times the original marks, that is total marks. Because the question was, is given 5% of all the text multiplication. So, of the total marks, when you cause 5%, to consider the average. 5% is U6 times the original marks.
Okay. Understood. Network yammwe.
Content eri mu siraba content ali mu U6 nga tuselectinga like tuba tuyinza selectinga ba M10 U6 siraba content alimu kati nayo sikitegeera.
Content huyo 5% waggulu wa computer class performance eno ku right side.
If I click here, I'm getting the U6. But you see on formula, what is inside that U6?
Genda ku row. Olabe
Teacher,
5% eri ku row number mmeka.
If I
Genda
click,
ogenda
if I
kitegeera
click here,
kibataddewo.
I told you when you highlight something, see here, this is the cell U6. U6 is the name box, that is the cell name. This is the what we call inside the cell, it is 5%.
teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Max okozesezza N naye ate ndaba basalo yayo ekavalinga letters bbiri N and O waggulu wali.
Are you sure until I remove N and U? If I click here, this is the total mark. So actually,
Yes.
Genda one. Let me
Waggulu wali.
Let's go. Now you highlight here. This is where you get the name of that cell. This is N10. This is what is inside it, that N10. This is the answer you are seeing.
Yeah, it is N10.
If you click here, this is the P something.
So kati O ebeera left out.
Ono yabadde akacwetinga yamulaginze cells bbiri zino yafuuse
Nazigattawo.
kati olaba nti eri N10, that's why we are using the cell address. When you click here, it is N10,
N11.
N11, N something. This is the address. What check it?
Okay.
Can we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna say the equal sign.
How you get the 5%? How you got to that? Sibitegedde mbadde siriiko network ebadde entawaanya.
We have not calculated anything. We are just answering the question.
All right.
We've just started this to answer the question. The question is saying if someone did access, it's given 5% of the total marks. Calculate the new total marks. Remember, to get the total marks, the new total marks, you must get what is inside the 5%. So we are trying to calculate what is the marks in 5%. Which method are we going to use to get the total marks in 5%? We say 5% times the original marks. So we'll be able to find what is inside the 5%. So we shall come here and say, if we want to get the marks in 5%, we shall come here and say.
Teacher, what are we dealing with today?
The subtopic here.
Wabula bannange kirasi ya leero oba mpulira njaana ku living out. Buli omu abuuza ebibuuzo ebitakwatagana tuba tuli kumpi kutuuka ku kintu.
Lwaki tebikwatagana nga tuli mu kiraasi?
Tulagedde ku kintu kimu ekyo buli ajja ddamu bino.
No, it's like this.
Members witse tusasula ffenna kusula kutegeera.
It's like this.
Oba alina eddembe okubuuza.
It's like this. It's like this. We are going to calculate the total marks in percentage. We have recording also because to judge the it's not we're going to understand the same place. And what you taking them time to okay. Just if marks in 5%. That's easy. If someone say 5% of the total marks, and someone say of means multiplication, we're going to just multiply 5% times the total marks. That's the very simple. Mr. Good. So we are trying to get marks in 5%. I'm going to say here. It's 5%. This is the 5%, which is in this equation of I write there multiplication times the total marks. Total marks is here. I press enter. I'll get 19.5. This, which means it, this is the marks. If I want to get new marks, I will say new marks for this person, first person. I will send equal sign into this total marks TN plus this one, which is 19.5. This is the new marks. What I want to aina 340 nakati aina 400.
So 19 is equivalent to 5%.
Kati so because you have access, bamwa de 5% okubanga yakoze access. The max yandi badafuna wezi nawe okuba yakola access yeyongeddeko kati ali mu 400 something. Naye awo bamuwa 5%. So bw'osoose calculating mu 5% mu max kyeki kyetuva okola. Kati wamala ocalculating for the first person, oba oyagala okukosa to autofill to make even others to get this marks. So twagambye nti yesterday nti relative reference ojenzi what?
Echo.
Someone
Echo si ya tisha.
already waliwo omuntu ayogera background, that's right. You can
Ticho ogambye okufuna new total marks tudira total marks ne times ngamu maxing 5%. Not so?
5%
You
you
add,
are
you
trying
add.
to get what is inside the percentage.
Yes,
Because
yes,
you're not
what I mean.
percentage. When a
Maxing.
percent to marks. But if you want to get new marks, you add the original one plus the new one, the new 5%.
Plus.
Of course, this is plus.
Okay.
Ng'omuntu akugambye nti ofuna miliyoni emu leero n'akugamba nkwongeza omusaala kwa 10%. Kati akubuza ekibuuzo nti what is your new salary? Of course, if you want to get your new salary, ojja gamba nti the original salary which I had plus the salary which is in 10% gyanyongeza.
Okay, teacher.
So kati it's like
Teacher.
akugambye 5% your salary. It means oba tolina salary, olina percentage. You must calculate what is inside that percent.
Okay, tisha tukikolemu n'oyo owookubiri then tukole autofill tukirabireko n'okuwookubiri.
No, you first let us repeat the thing. What are you not getting from this? It is very, very, very simple. If you have a question, 5% of something, it is like 5 times the total marks. You have percentage here, you have even the total marks. Multiply this one times this one, you get the marks in 5%. Then plus to get the new marks, the original plus the new one you have calculated. That is it.
No, teacher. Me, what I'm not understanding, sijagenda mu balala. Me, what I'm not understanding, how are we getting that 19, the 5% of the total mark? Tukikolemu awo nze sikitegedde.
You know, you get the 5%.
Total mark
times the
kangitegedde,
total.
but the percentage.
Naye nze ndaba wama teacher wengamba 5%, that's 5 over 100, then times the total. I think that's even
I
easier.
know, 390.
Kubanga very
300.
complicated, but it's still the same thing.
Kati wakaculatinga what ofuna meka?
Anti ekikolawo
Era ofuna 19.5.
Ng'okoze otya?
Okoze 5 over 100 times the total.
Times total. Kati wanate wakola ki?
Nedda nanti okyogera obwogezi
Yes, with the
kitegeerekeka.
computer.
This one, I
Very
told
difficult.
you in Excel we don't use your original marks. But if someone come and change these marks, naye erabiddemu. Will your computer correctly update that information? Ng'oyagala okukozesa 5% times the number, like you are not using the cell address. I don't even first understand the address. If I talk 5%, bear in mind 5% it is U6, which means if I'm doing with my calculation, I'm going to use U6.
Teacher, U6 ojijja wanze sikitegeera.
Ekiba confusing
U6
with the
U6
first
tunula
state.
U6
U6 yeriko
5%.
5%.
5% tunula waggulu awa data.
You are confusing the curriculum. I put it in. Once you mess up the basic of Excel, you complicate things. But here we are just multiplying, very easy. We are just multiplying 5% times 300, very easy like that. But in Excel, we don't talk about the value, we talk about the cell address. I told you to understand the cell address. Now I'm multiplying U6, someone is asking, where are you getting U6?
That's address of 5%.
Yeah, teacher, I'm asking because 6 mwagitaddewo nga nze simanyi ebadde waggulu, so I don't know how you wrote it there up. This is why I'm asking.
We're not
No,
even
yeah,
writing. We're just coming where
It is
the
there
5%.
up. It is
If we are coming where the 5% and we click there, it will give us U6 because Excel understand the language of cell address.
Labayo zino max like computer class performance. Kati then kali nze mbadde saakalabe we mwakatadde nga it is up. You.
It is very clear. It is very clear. It is very clear. Everyone can see it. So it is very clear. You just need matter of use cell address to get the answer.
Okay, let's proceed.
Asad, you can ask a question.
No, I do not have a question. Just
Okay,
invite them to this.
you can elaborate it. Guys, in the country, yes,
Teacher, Ogambe ki?
no, ngambadde mbanyumira kino. Ndekawo mubedi obusamutemu nga bafokasi. Mbagamba nti mutegeeze address. In calculation, buli onaagenda wonna awasinga, tetugenda kakozesa bitabo kubizaawo. That analog like n'oba kuwaka ng'olina bizinesi yo, ng'ogenda kukozesa kitabo owandiike, it's not there. Mwena mujja kugenda okumuguza laptop, mugenda kukola bizinesi zaabwe, of which you need to understand the knowledge of computer. If someone is saying, go make this and this, why? Because ekibabuzabuza it is not about calculation. It's not about mathematics. Here is no mathematics. Ekibabuzabuza the average of this one, and it is understandable. It is very new to you. You need to just adopt and get slowly. Wrong thing. Children very understand is like it. Children understand it. I can understand it. It is new to you. So it is according to get slowly. Just take it. This time just take it. Don't say, oh, when I'm not getting them since I've done. This is not mathematics. If someone told me, why can't we use 5% times 300? Which means it is getting the concept, but it's not getting the language of the computer. Until we use cell address to multiply. We have been seeing this. In Excel, go and understand cell address. Whenever you do calculation, instead of using 5%, use the cell address of 5%. Now 5% is in U6. So instead of saying I'm using 5%, I'm going to use multiply with U6. That is it. Asad, you can add on if you have something to say.
No, it's fine. You've covered.
So, teacher, we are requesting you fill the first one to Larry.
So ekibasomo one temugamba nti waliwo mathematics betukola saagala temugamba nti mathematics here ekintu ekikyasomba nti tukyala atundamu the first basic one which we emphasized but it's not about it. We are covering everything. because if the statement is saying someone is offering, maybe it's doing the access and it's given 5% of the total marks, and they are telling you to capture the new total marks. So it's about to get the what is inside the 5% relative total marks. Then we add the regular plus the new one we have just calculated. Isn't that clear?
It's clear.
So
batubuuzizza wano ekibuuzo nti kibuuzo kibadde ki given 5% of total marks calculated from total mark for each name, kati nga wano wotuwandiikiddewo wano 5% in you share, kati mu kibuuzo baba bakampandiikirawo oba
kimunakumbiramu osobola n'okawandiikawo because I'm trying to explain these things ng'ogenda calculating okukozesa Excel, and now I expect you to know if I write something in Excel and I give it a cell name address, even if I change it update automatically. If I don't write something and I use it in my calculation, once I change something, now percentage that you say where for. It means everywhere I need to go and change. Even if they are counted, I need to go one by one and I change. But if I use the cell address and I change only 5 there, down if I use it to calculate in 1,000 tries, they will just update automatically. That is the difference. I showed you. We did a calculation and showed you if someone used 10% 10 plus 4 number, and someone used the address, if someone changed something, it updates automatically. So learn how to use the importance of cell address. Whenever you see something, just put it in cell. Just learn how to name cell and learn how to work with these cells. It is very easy. Kati nawe kyetudiringa nakyo kati you see nti wenkuwa nti nekuwa tugeze nti wembagamba nti banaye munyambeko mukolera exercise nti mugende multiplying 5%, this is 5% times 380. Someone will say very easy. Naye wengamba nti multiplying u6 plus n 10, someone will come by tubijja. This is the address. If I click here, you can see I have 5%, which is inside the cell, but inside here I have the name of this cell is called U6. So instead of putting 5% dollar, ngenda put cell name Excel to simplify it for me. Even if I change the value, it updates automatically. Instead of using this one dollar, ngenda put N10. But when we are waliwo atamanyi how we can multiply 5% plus 300 times 390. Waliwo atakimanyi how to multiply them. You all understand that, isn't it?
Yeah.
But here we are not multiplying we are not multiplying the getulaba to multiplying the address, which I told you before. To please say an address here.
Just addition to that. Mari njagala kutangaza mukoko ezi bannange nti mu Excel lwaki batu Sonia sorry, name box, right? Atobijeo Tisha. Nti lwaki batulawo ebyo bibiri ojja kubeera nga olina sheet yo nga nnene oba nga ngazi, like you pointed somewhere nga naawe kennyini tojjukira wawooli, naye okwanguyirwa okwa-identifyinga wawooli oba like which cell you are in, ojja kutunula wano waggulu olabe ku name box right now tulimu N10 teacher wa pointings ewali total max N10 then ne wotuna mu formula ba bwabanga wakyusiza kuba wakitegeeza bwe yasembedde wageza nakyo sasa wonkasaye nagipointing awalala ejja kwetera formula nga already eri wane mu formula ba ekulage ne name kati wonabanga obuzaabuziddwa obwedde ezitkeleya agamba tujjeewa U6 wonabanga otunudde wano mu name box nosanga U6 jangu wano tubuzaabuzibwa. Come and look here, what's inside U6? Teacher is talking about 5%. This is 5% found in U6. So katobera confused nga wesiba ku U6 asobola okugikyusa right now 5% nagizamu V6. It's still the same. Funula ku name box then you know what teacher is talking about. Do not focus on U6. Thank you, teacher.
Let me hope with you. Not explanation of getting them. The changes in explanation. I've learned something from that explanation. Thank you for that elaboration. Because I nature garment, even if I change to 5%, then this is our 91 recover. Then find 5%. Maybe 5%, and I delete this one. It means I can use this one, and I multiply with this one, but this time it will be V6. Now again it will be 5%, of which 5% is that one we are using in our question. Check it. Today's cell address, they keep on changing. It is not static. When they can put it, provided you know what is inside the box. Provided you know here, it is the name of that cell. Here, it is what is inside person. It's very simple. Some reference. Absolute like locking something. So let me show point very clear about how we can get total. If here we are getting max in 5%, that is multiplying 5% times the total max here. This is our total max. Then press enter. That is it. 5%. But if we want to get even this max for the rest of the other guys up here, we say that we come here and do what we call autofill. But let you see what will come when we do autofill. You see, and here we are getting 0, here we are getting error, here we are getting 0, 0, 0. It is not coming. Much take it. So this is our today's topic. Why is it not coming? Why is it bringing these errors? Yes, yet I multiplied here. I got the answer. My answer is very well. When this is scrolling down for a max for the rest, it's not coming. That is what we want to fix.
The data is not the same.
The data is not the same. That is the answer. What? Yes, you have that. But the reason it is because, well, if I come here, let me double click here. Right one was 0. Twagambye nti bw'oklikinga wano olaba 0 naye bw'ogenda ku formula bar olaba kiki kye bakosezza okufuna eyo answer. So katugeze ku formula bar for analyzing what is U7. What is U7? U7 it is here. Isn't it?
It is
5%. It's computer
It is a title, computer class performance.
Edwa, anesobola okungamba U7 eriwa U7 eriwa address cell address dibayita U7 it is here yen computer
Yes.
class computer
Performance.
performance eriwa. So what is in U7?
The words.
The what? Let us go here. Excel is a copy in the formula, naye a copy in the multiplication yoka, naye a copy in the cell addressing a rotating. What is U8? U8 is here. This is U8. U8 is supposed to be here. This one they are marked. You cannot get them properly, but here it's supposed to be here. Let us go to something which is very, very clear. What is U10? Let me come here and come.
Empty.
This is you. Maybe it's 12. No. Here.
That's me.
It is here. U10 is here. Empty. So actually,
Yep.
Yeah, it's empty.
empty. So kati yo kyekoze yo kyekoze multiplying with something ekiri empty ne multiplying with n14. When you go to n14 this is 14 and n here n14 there is something, but when you multiply this times a 0
You get 0.
you get a 0.
Zero.
Kyekoze. Kati our today's topic is how we fix this 5% nga tetambula. Nga select, they are not copying. We can see it when you go down, they are trying to move you. Instead tutandise ne you ebadde you 6, isn't it? Naye kati efuse you 13. It means you're going down nayo bagis moving by relative reference ekosa the default one. Naye twagala odifixing nga tetambula. Nga like eri static nga nkosa 5% throughout here, njagala multiplying throughout here 5%. Oba mutegeera point eyo. Njagala kwata 5% ngifixing nga temovinga. So when I autofill my result, it will multiply 5%, U6 throughout. I don't want to change. I don't want to come here and they see U11. I want to see U6 only. Because U6 you remove 5% in the course. And you use something else tell you much in the gala. How much again?
Yes, sir.
So let us go to our calculation because we come to formula bar. We try to log. We said we can log column. We can log row. So you say no ya page tulimu. Jiraba tuwe wete kanu kasa yangu wanwete. Kanu kafuka highlighted. Mujiraba ntiri highlighted, isn't it? Which means I can edit this formula from here. So I put my cursor. I look what you call column U. I'm looking U. I'm gonna put $sign. Just take it into okulooking that cell to
Yes.
It's very simple. Sigenda kinyonyola kingi nti bwe tuba twagala okulookinga cell tukozesa $sign. Buli omu amanyi $sign bw'eri. Onyika shift ne pesa lyafo ku keyboard. Shift ne pesa lyafo kati ampa lookinga U. Kati ngenda kulookinga ne kye bayita 6, that is column. Ngenda girookinga. I press shift and 4 key. Then when I finish to do that, I press enter. Ojja kulaba nti here, ojja kulaba mu formula yange nti here, formula eno erimu $sign ziri bbiri. Zino $sign zisymbolizing nti I've locked this 5% over cell gye bayita U6. Tegenda kumuvinga. Let me repeat to autofill again and I see what will come. You can see now I'm autofilling, it is coming. You can see now I'm getting the result because I've locked U6. Even if I come here at the end, then click here. Njaga kugenda ku formula bar ndabe kibakozeseza bandaze nti they are using U6 still. These dollar signs they are telling you they are blocked. This is today's topic. To submit by the absolute how to lock a cell moving.
Kategate.
I'm not questioning because we are about to leave. So here, if you want to get the new marks, you just come here and say this original marks plus the new marks over the marks in new pass in 5%. That is, you'll be able to get new marks. You press enter. Here you autofill. Katoli aja kubuza ekibuzo lwaki tulokinga naawe kati wano seetaga kulokinga olw'ensonga zino marks za njawulo because here someone bafuna 5% naye tebalina total zezimu so zino za njawulo wali tulokinze eno olw'ensonga eno 5% njagala multiplying to each naye wano njagala adding ono this one plus this one, this one plus this one, this one plus this one. So I use what we call relative cell reference. Here I'm using absolute reference because I want this 5 to be fixed. Again, I'm multiplying throughout, but I want it to be fixed. Again, I'm multiplying this times 5. I'm going to multiply this one times 5, this one times 5, this one times 5, this one times 5, this one times. So I'm just locking this one.
Ate bino byose tagana obeerawo. Nedda. We are still on.
Kati kyekyo bwana alina questioning
Akatandika butandisi time ya mboozi.
Wadde ogenda okulokinga eri sale ya 5%. Nsaba kunziriramu awo. How to lock it?
How to lock it? Okay, so okay. Let me delete this one. So you can see it when I've deleted this one. Chebakoze bampadde original marks abantu one marks is because formula one in Uganda this one plus this one, but here there is 0. Checkers by adding 0 0. Checkers are just the original marks. Once we catch something here, it will update automatically here. That is the importance of cell reference. So we're gonna calculate what is inside 5% equals 5% times the original or the total mark here. So actually, but our aim, we don't want, when you press enter and autofill, we should not get the answers that we're going to abnormal. So this again okay, simply because they have multiplied, they have carried it, never again, never moving down, never moving. 5 baje moving. So laba to highlighting chebakoze bagande U10 would focusing ko U10 here. Elimu something chebakoze ba multiply no U10 never cause no value at never multiply in one pair. I don't want this to happen. I want to fix this one. One I'm multiplying this one up, this one times this one times this one times this, like that. Ngate moving. So you come here, you go where there is U5, joyagala okulokinga yeeno. Tumanyi nti U6 ye 5% ye twagala lookinga. So tetugenda lookinga 5%, tugenda lookinga the cell address of it. So you go where there is the formula and you look for where is U6. Here U6, isn't it? Mujiraba. Kati awo nteekawo dollar sign nga ndookinga kye bayita shift 4 okulookinga cell eyo naye nsooka kulookinga column, that is letter. Before you, when you take dollar sign before you, it means I've locked column. When ngenda n'endookinga, when ngenda before number, that is row 6. Nenteekawo dollar sign, it means I've locked even row 6, which means the entire cell U6 have blocked it. ntusose kulookinga column yayo nendokinga ne row 6 nikigeza obicombininga U6 ebe ekuwa sale eno erimu 5% ngeno gyendookinze sagala 5% bagikyuse sagala etambule evuge mu kifo njagala esigale 5% forever.
Okay.
So kati when pressing enter nenzija ne scrolling here nendo okufinga let me do overfill okay just yes it will give me the good answer which I want.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
I did it. Wano iko
kati buli asobola okukola asobola okusettinga question ye n'akolamu ku computer ye kyemanyi mulina waakawati. The reason why I told you to carry this math mukole webiti, I want you to set yourself things ng'osobola obyetegeera. I don't want to give you something nga tugenda kutegeera. I will give you within this weekend olwokutaano olwokuna olwomukaaga njaba practice. But don't complain about if you cannot do it, you just leave. What I can do? Can be kill over that. Also, I know we submitting is okay. But don't complain that because there are other guys which need to plug these things. So, calling them it's okay.
Checking up WhatsApp.
It's okay, I'm not delving. I'm about to fix it. And I'll tell you if it is something which are lacking.
Okay, teacher.
Yes. Musigaza will keep me up so Excel. That is, you can use me within these 2 weeks. I don't think until after 2 weeks, what you have communication about anything. You can use me in these 2 weeks, it's okay. Ask him whatever I feel like. If I can manage, I'll answer it.
Kati teacher lwaki oyogera bw'otyo kati watya nze nina ekyenjagala okwebuuza about Excel nga wadde waaka question kundiza.
Because wajja kubalira abasomesa.
Okay. I've got you.
Obola kabuuza. Use these 2 weeks. They are okay. You can ask him again.
Anti bw'otuddamu mangu okusinga bali.
Use 2 weeks to I'll be able to answer you what I can. Wasigaze wetsinze. Makachosho tugenda concluding today tukukulize today. Absolutely. Big story for tugenda njogerako because that is more complicated. The common one used absolute and relative. Understand those two. Just the absolute we look or we fix. We make something to be static. Like to start to make it static. Until you can lock this box, you can lock this one by pressing the shortcut is F4. But just use the white orientation. Shift 4. That's the easiest way. F4, it will be like your mustard because shortcuts more commonly used someone to modify or to simplify it for Excel. Ngomazo tekera basic. Kati amunojjamu okutegeera kibaita shortcuts ngoyamba one because you are doing something. Either we can control this ngobitegedde. But for now, use Shift 4 to lock, column to lock column, like that. The shortcut is F4. What you want. Just highlight it and it lock once. Because for today is enough.